I love lavender flowers and I love these. Look how beautiful these are. These are artificial and they look so real. I received these as a gift from the company so that I could show you how beautiful they are. So let's just take a look at one to start out with. So let's look at the leaves first so you can see they're a nice deep green. And the thing that I like about these is they're not just a solid color green. There are different variations of green in this, so that makes them look real. And then let's take a look at one of the lavender flowers. Just a lot of really nice detail to those. So they look so real, and look how nice that is. That's just one. So I'll show you here how they came out of the box. They were kind of smushed. You just pull one out and you just take literally just a few seconds to do that. That's just one, and you get 14. They also are moldable, so you can see if you can bend the stems to look however you want them to look. So I've got a hobnail cruet or little pitcher here, and I'm just going to put a couple of these in here so that you can see how pretty they are. And let's see, that's 3. Okay, that's just 4. That's just 4. Let's put one more. There we go. So that's 5, and again, you get 14. You get 14 of these stems. So really pretty, look beautiful, look realistic, easy to care for though, right? Since you don't have to water them. So yeah, thank you again. These are gorgeous. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. I'll have the link to these flowers down in the description. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.